Let's move on to M&A, rumours and movers.
Okay, well, I thought, as you say, it's the last show for the year. I thought we'd take a look back and see what sort of a year it has been for M&A 2015. So I don't think it's any great surprise that the M&A value of the deals announced has soared during 2015, and as of the end of November, the tally stood at $4.304 trillion. That's according to research from Deal Logic. On Wednesday last week alone, we saw 112 deals announced, quite a phenomenal number. Many, it's fair to say, were between smaller entities, but the total value of those 112 deals was still $8.5 billion. US M&A accounts for almost half of the total of deals done for the year, with $2 trillion worth of business done so far. And that's the first time that $2 trillion figure has been reached in a calendar year. The previous high had been broken back in September, and estimates for the final total of M&A deals for 2015 extend up to $4.7 trillion. It's not all one-way traffic. It's not just mergers and acquisitions, though, because there has been some new issuance too. So as of the end of November, we'd seen $63.8 billion of new dollars, that is, new money raised by IPOs in 190 deals. A bit slower in the US, probably tells its own story, but 168 deals in the US, which raised a much lower $30 billion, and that was the lowest figure since 2009. There have been some big deals in the States, not necessarily, though, raising fresh cash. I think there's a slight contradiction there, but it's worth pointing that out. 2015 has seen 9 deals valued at 50 billion or more. I think that's quite a significant figure. And then 58 deals with a value of $10 billion or greater. Goldman Sachs has remained top of the pile in terms of advisory fees. JP Morgan in second place, and Morgan Stanley in third. So, no surprise to see the American trio there, top of the Advisors League.